Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to create a Revolve Revolve exercise in the Creating Basic Part Features course. So you have to have two windows open: your course window where the steps are explained for this exercise and your document window. Let's create a new document. Let's name it Revolve, and then your first and last initials, so underscore, and I would say OP. These are my first and last initials, so that's how you want to name your files. Just keep it. So learn this practice for naming your files in that way. So this is a new file. Let's look at our directions. So make sure length should be in millimeters and mass in kilograms. And we want to use the right plane for the plane we will create our sketch on. So right plane. So let's go back. Let's look at our units. From inches, we're changing to millimeters, and from pounds to kilograms. So I will create a new sketch, and I will select the right plane. And I can either click on the right plane on my cube, or I can right click and select normal to the plane, but I will click on the cube. Okay, what's next? All right, so construction line, the vertical and perpendicular and horizontal, and I will create this shape. So I first will create the construction lines. I click on my line, or I can click L, click on the construction, and I will start from origin and click go up. Okay, escape. I click on line construction and go from left through the origin to the right. Escape. I click on the line, just a normal one, and I will start creating the shape. So it should touch the line and go to the left. Okay. From here to the left, up to the right, up to the left, up to the right. Is it correct? I don't remember. I think that's correct. Let's see. Up, right, left, right, this. Oh, you see, I had to go down and, okay. So what I want to do, I want to undo the last line. Click on line again, make sure the yellow dot is highlighted, and then click and go here. Actually, I'm thinking, okay, fine. I'll go down and then I go to the right. Good. I'm thinking, so maybe this line is a little bit too short. Yeah, so I have the right shape, but I'm thinking it might be difficult for the line to be dimensioned later. But just one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I doing the right shape? 1, 2, 4. This. Okay. Well, I will dimension it later, so I don't think it will really matter now. Okay, I will use the mirror and I'll copy it. Mirror the mirror line, and then I will copy each of the lines. So I have to zoom in. Yeah. Okay. Escape. let's see what's next. I have to dimension, and you see I have to dimension relative to this construction line, which is going to be the axis around which I will be revolving my feature. That's why I will be dimensioning a diameter. Diameter, not the distance to the line, but the diameter, because it will be around our shape at the end. But I first want to dimension this size. I think this size 40, 75. Let's see. Let's zoom out. Click dimension. So from here to here, it has to be 40. Let's see, 75 should be from those two. Okay. So from here to here, 75, 100. Now let's zoom out. Move. I have to dimension 25, 75 from this line then to this line. Okay. So from here to here, and if I take it outside, if I take this outside, it should show me the diameter. No, escape. One more time. From this line to this line. Yeah, I should have clicked. And then what was it? I remember 25. Okay, and then 75. Okay, so from this line to this line, but diameter has to be 75. Okay, so now I have some overlaps. 165 from that line to the center. Okay, so I have to zoom in. Okay, I'm in the dimension mode, so I have to select this. Yeah, zoom in. So this line, zoom out to this line, zoom out more, and it has to be a diameter, and I don't remember, 165. All right, I'm getting there, but very slowly. What am I doing wrong? Let's see what's next. So from that one, 200 from this line. Okay, let's find that line. You see, blue lines are that the color shows me that it's still, there is no constraints, but the black line shows that I constrain them. So I have to do this line, to this line, and diameter should be 100. Okay, and 250 from the top. Okay, so oh, you see, I did something wrong. What did I do wrong? Oh, so this one 200. Okay, I should change it to 250. Yes. What about this line? I think I did something wrong. This has to be 200, right? So from this to this, 200. Does it look right or not? 40, 75, 40, 75, 40, 75, 100, 500. Yeah, that's weird. 165, where is it? Oh, so I think my problem that this line has to be on the same line, 40. That's my problem. That's why it's undefined. Okay, so how do I fix it? Interesting. How about I zoom in? Zoom in. Oh, I know how to fix it. Oh, it shows me that this line is defined. Why is it defined? Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me try to make these two lines equal. So I escape the dimension mode. I want this line and this line to be equal. Now I fixed it. Yay. Good job. So now it looks correct. Everything is black, which means everything is constrained. What's next? Okay, now I have to create a Revovle feature. So I have to finish my sketch. And I have to click on Revovle. And I have to choose the sketch. And I have to choose the axis, which is going to be this axis. So I don't know why it has difficulties choosing axis, but I had the same difficulties before. Oh, I have to click. Oh, then it's highlighted. Perfect. So now it did a full circuit, and to see it better, I click on isometric view. It's perfect. Okay, what's next? Rename to wheel. Oh yeah, I have to click yes, I like that. And now I can click rename. What's next? I have to assign a material. Okay, stainless steel 304. Okay. And now I have to click on the mass properties. So my mass is 19,612. Let's compare with what they have. Let's see, begin. So 19, this is correct. See result. That's correct. Thank you for your attention. Good luck.